What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Eddie Munson from Stranger Things Season 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side, starting from the top of our circle. Just going to bring this all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, go all the way down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Coming all the way around, and then back out, and then line that up on the right. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the eyelid. Starting on top of the left eye, I'm just going to curve this around, come down and just hook that in. And then we'll line up at the bottom of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw on the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve this down underneath the nose, and pull that back up on the right. And we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth. On the left side, we're going to step in, come down towards the bottom, like a half oval, and then pull that back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. On the left, come down, and up. And we'll add the tongue along the bottom, going up and then down, and it'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, just going to draw a large half circle. Bring this down and in, just underneath the mouth in the center. Go out, and we'll pull that up on the right side. Let's pull this up towards the hair. On the left, come up and in. And then we'll add the hair bangs just up above the eyes. Starting over on the left, come down and in on top of the eye. Taper that back up. Now I'm just going to continue all the way across towards the right. Now here we just want to add a curve going in the opposite direction, coming down and then back up. Now before we get into the hair, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Starting over on the left, we draw the edge of the vest, going out and then down. Go all the way over towards the right and pull that down towards the same height. Let's bend the vest, coming down and in. And then from the left side, we're going to go straight up and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's add in the collar. From the top, step down, draw a short angle line going up on either side. Angle this back down. Go up and out towards the side of the body. Let's add some detail to the vest. Over on the left, angle this down and in. And we'll line that up on the right side. And then we'll add in the pockets. We'll step down, come down toward the center, and up. Let's add a small button along that flap. And add a couple buttons over on the right side, 2 circles. Let's add in the collar of the shirt, come down and up, step down, draw that again, and we'll fill the inside of the collar. From the bottom corner of the vest, step up, curve the shirt, coming down and then back up. Now to simplify that Hellfire logo in the center, start with a circle, going all the way around, and we'll add in the eyes, 2 angled lines coming in round out the bottom. Let's add a curve for the mouth. Now we move up and draw on the horns, going out and up, in behind the vest, and then just taper that back in. Now you want to raise the arms going up along the side of the head. We'll start from the left side of the head, start with the cuff coming down and then out, and we'll line that up on the right, coming down and out. From the outside of the cuff, we're going to bend the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's add the cuff, step down, draw that same curve coming in, and we'll add a button on the outside. Now from here we're going to curl the thumb around the inside. Start from the inside of the cuff, going up, round out the thumb, come down, round out the tip and pull this back up, and then we'll add a fold for the palm. Let's point the index finger going up and out. Bend this out and up toward the tip, round up the finger, and then just pull that back down towards the thumb. Now I'm going to wrap 2 more fingers along the outside, going around and then in behind the thumb, step out and do that again. And then from the bottom of the last finger, curve the palm, coming down and in towards the outside of the cuff. Now with the hands in place, we're going to move back up and draw the outside of the hair. Let's start in the center, go all the way up towards the top, going up and out towards the right, and taper that back down towards the same height. Let's draw the left side of the head. Start from this point, go up, round up the head, just pull that down, aiming towards the finger. Let's add a curl along the outside. Come down and out, and then taper that back in towards the outside of the finger. Let's go around the hand, going out, down, and then in. Just pull that up in behind the hand. Let's add 1 more curl along the bottom, coming down, and then out, and then up underneath the arm. Now let's continue working down towards the feet. Starting from the center of the body, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then pull that down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, going the opposite direction, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve the foot going up. We're just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Round this out, and then pull that back up towards the inside. Now going back up to the top, we're going to step in, draw the outside of the leg, bending this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now you want to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And then we'll add some tears across the knees, starting on the left, come down and in, and taper that back out. Now we're going to add a chain over on the left side. Start from the left hip, come down towards the bottom, pull that back up underneath the vest, and they'll trace that along the inside, going down, and back up. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Eddie Munson from Stranger Things. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.